In a vessel, the gas is at a pressure P. If the mass of all the molecules is half and their speed is double, then the resultant pressure will be. Okay, one vessel is there. In that vessel, the gas at a pressure P, whatever the molecules are there inside the gas, inside that vessel, it is half of half, and their speed is double. Then the resultant pressure will be what we need to find here. We know that as the pressure in the vessel, we can write it as that is 1 by 3 into m into n divided by d into v or ms square, where m is the mass of the molecule, that is each molecule, and n is the total number of molecules, and v is the volume of the gas. Okay. And we know here when mass of all the molecules is half and their speed is a double, then the pressure will be, we can write it as P is equal to 1 by 3 times mass is the mass is it is half. That is molecules is half means I can write it as m by 2. Half means m by 2. And the speed will becomes double. That is n by v into whatever the speed is there, that is 2 times. 2 into v or ms whole square. Then we will get the value, that is 2 by 3 into m into n divided by v into v or ms squared. Then we can write this one as 2 times whatever the initial it is there. Now compare it to this one, we will get it is a 2 times of the pressure. The pressure becomes 2 times. You can choose option A is the right answer.